Hey everyone, and welcome back to Wellness Wednesday. How is everyone doing out there? With this COVID thing hanging around and we are all stuck at home, I'm sure there's a lot of emotions going on. And also for those working at home, it's a whole new ball game, right? Some of you are at your dining room table and some of you are at your coffee table. It's kind of wherever you could fit it in, right? So this week I wanted to go over how to take care of our muscles. We're in new environments. You're working, you're dealing with your family, and you're working from home. And in some cases, you're just stuck at home. So if you're sitting a lot more than normal or sitting in a weird position, this is what this week is about, is how to help alleviate some of that pain. So of course I'm going to go over oils. I'm also going to go over some breathing techniques that may help. They'll help with anxiety. They'll also help with just an overall get rid of some of the negativity that's thrown at us all the time. It's constantly in the news. Bam, 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 bam. COVID, COVID, COVID. We all know. And it's not a fun time to be in, right? As a human race, it's not just locally, it's global. So this is kind of a weird time. So I thought I would pop it on and do this. All right, without further ado, when you get sore, achy muscles, or you're sitting like this at your computer, which I've been known to do, like hunch over, do my typing and whatnot. I work from home. I have done for years, but I have an ergonomic seat and everything. I still hunch my back. Deep Relief. It's a nice little blend from Young Living that you can notice. I have a roller top on here. By the way, this comes in your starter kit, and you can order these just from Young Living. Roll it right on your shoulders or wherever your pain is, lower back, wherever you're getting your pain. Like tech neck, sticking your neck out to look at your computer screen. I do that. Very conscious not to these days. But still, Deep Relief is going to get in there. It's a nice blend. It's going to help relax those muscles, right? We want to stay in a relaxed state and not walk around, because that'll end up when you're walking around like this, right? Your neck out, and just you'll find yourself standing funny. So stretch your muscles. Of course, do your stretches, do your desk stretches, right? And get up and walk around. Very important. And if you're hurting, Deep Relief is really good. You can also use things like wintergreen, right? Panaway. It's for pain away. They call it Panaway. I have a roller top on this guy. Oh, that's not my Panaway. That's my Aromaseas. That'll come up next. Panaway. I don't have a roller top on this guy because I usually put him in a roller and I'll blend it with like wintergreen. I'll put some Deep Relief in there, some of the Ortho Ease massage oil from Young Living. And I'll make myself a roller just for my lower back. That's what I like to do personally. And Aromaseas, another blend from Young Living, is really good for ceased muscles. Ceased muscles, right? We're gonna roll this guy on there. I don't even hesitate. I'm just like, nope, stick a roller ball right on that guy. I'm not gonna muck about making my own rollers when these blends are fantastic. Ceased muscles, muscle pain. Deep Relief, ceased muscles. That's what I use them for, and I find them fantastic, right? So there you go. And I love this so much. Cool Azul cream. I've got some sun coming in my office here. Cool Azul cream. Now in the States, you can get the cream and the Cool Azul gel. In Canada, we can only get the Cool Azul cream, and I'm just grateful for that. This stuff is amazing. It's a muscle rub, and I can put that on my shoulders and my back. If I don't want to necessarily have oils on, like say I want my hair down, I have long hair, I want to have my hair down, I may not necessarily want the oils to get into my hair, I'll put some of this on and it will absorb into my skin. And the oils don't get sucked up into my hair like a reed. And I still get my pain relief. So Cool Azul, a wonderful blend from Young Living. They've really got this stuff right. They know their stuff, right? And it's truly amazing. All right, so those are things you can do. Don't forget to do your exercises, get your arms going, do your shoulder rollbacks, make sure you get your wings stretched out, right? Open up your chest, because we tend to sit like this, right? Open up your chest, stand up, walk, stretch your legs, very important, right? And let's do some breathing. And this is a very simple one. And you can do it throughout the day. And we're gonna breathe in through our nose, right? So, and just when you think you can't breathe in anymore, breathe in a little bit more. Just a little bit more, you can do it. And then we're gonna audibly exhale. What does that mean? It means we're gonna go ha, or shh. We're gonna breathe in positive, good energy. And we're gonna breathe out negativity. There's a lot of it, so ha. You don't have to make an angry face. I don't know why I did that. You can do any face you want. So, a little bit more, and ha. Do that 3 times. Do it throughout the day 3 times. Like to do everything in threes. Just threes, just do it in threes. And you will feel better. It'll help calm the body, it relieves stress, it gets in with the good energies and out with the negative. Whether or not you're aware, you're taking in all this negative energy all the time because it's everywhere, right? Everyone's talking about it, it's on the news, it's on the TV, it's in commercials, blah, blah, blah. So we do need to know about this. I'm not saying don't listen to these things. You don't have to all the time, but let's get rid of some of that negative energy and keep the positive flow going. Okay, I hope this all helps. And please, hey, if you're digging what I'm doing, which I like what I'm doing, please like and subscribe because it makes me feel good and it lets me know that you guys are interested in what I'm doing because I sure have fun doing these videos and I hope that I'm helping everyone that watches it because it's important, especially now. Let's help each other, all right? I need y'all to stay safe and happy oiling.